In this video, we will explore the instructional area of the Learning Center's platform. Upon entering a mission or a project, additional items will appear at the top of the CoderZ window. The Restart Mission button restores a mission to its default code, including associated walkthroughs. Clicking Restart on the Are You Sure window confirms the recognition that the mission is being refreshed and all code written by the user will be erased. The self-paced guided walkthroughs describe the mission, introduce new blocks, and provide instruction in coding concepts and knowledge required to successfully solve the challenge and reach the target. Walkthroughs appear automatically upon first accessing a mission. To revisit the walkthroughs, users can click the Restart button. The mission's title contains a drop-down menu that includes options to restart the mission, go to the next activity, go to the previous activity, open the solution, this option is for teachers only, and return to the Learning Center. Some courses have tips included in their structure. Need assistance solving a mission? Tips to the rescue! The code editor is the dark area on the left half of the window. This is where all code is written. On the far left is the Blockly library. Blocks are categorized by type. The categories and blocks available are dependent upon the CoderZ course. At the top of the library is the Hide Categories button. Click it to minimize the block's library. Click it again and the categories will reappear. Next is the Save button, which saves the current progress. The program does autosave regularly, so don't panic if you leave a mission without saving. The Run Simulation button will execute the code, and the robot will perform the instructions in the simulation pane to the right. The button will change to Stop, and will stop the execution of the program when clicked. The Undo and Redo buttons perform as you would expect. They undo or redo your last action. Connect to IDE is a special function that allows coders to use an external editor to write Python code. This is an advanced feature and is used by a limited group of coders. CoderZ supports code reusability with the use of smart blocks. The Smart Blocks button provides the option to create a new smart block as well as a menu for the smart blocks created by the coder. Coders have the ability to download and upload Blockly using the Export and Import buttons. There are 4 additional icons in the lower right corner of the code editor window. The center icon will bring the code to the center of the code editor screen. Use the plus button to zoom in to enlarge the blocks, and the minus button to zoom out to decrease block size. And of course, the trash can deletes blocks that the user drags and drops onto it. The vertical and horizontal scroll bars provide additional control of the window when dealing with larger algorithms. At the bottom edge is a workspace console that displays important information such as requested outputs, errors, etc. You've explored the editor, now go forth and power up your future with CoderZ.